formation of the ESI society. I think many of the staff, basically ESI staff, they have got apprehension and they have got some objection as far as this society is concerned. So we see, it is ultimately a scheme. So we are developing it as we have been carrying forward through the scheme of ESI. So now, as far as the formation of society is concerned, there was a proposal, the central government proposal was there. I think 3-4 states basically has done this society, has formed society under ESI. But our scheme basically is going on well. We have got no problems whatsoever. And there is nothing incentive that we found as far as if we go through this formation of the society, that there would be any beneficial for the workers as well as the staff. So we have basically rejected this proposal of going. So we are going to go to the scheme. So we are not be a part of the ESI society. Then there was this 150 bed hospital. The land in Bicholi is coming up, Mulgaon in Bicholi. Now what is happened, we have taken land from Housing Board, in fact ESI. They will be building this hospital of 150 bedded hospital. At present only the compound wall basically, they have got sanction of compound wall, and the plans basically will be approved in their head office. And the time frame, I think within 2 years time the hospital should be complete. We are thinking of appointing an administrator actually, a retired administrator maybe from earlier who worked in GMC or district hospital, basically to set up the hospital there. Because what is as far as the equipment and all, what is the requirement and the full setup of doctors and all what we require, so we'll be appointing an administrator.